Hey everybody, I'm out here on site with two of our brand new rebuilt 627s. We have two brand new machines that have been rebuilt behind us. We had them tore down, rebuilt engines, rebuilt transmissions, rebuilt cabs. Totally brand new machines. These machines have all the creature comforts. It's brand new, coming off the assembly line. Our guys get in these machines, it's like brand new. Cushiony seats, radios, ready to rock and roll and move some dirt.
A lot different than it was when it left.
Gonna get it dirty?
Yes, I'm ready to get it dirty.
They tore it all down and redid it all. Certified rebuild.
What do you think?
Looks good to me.
So we invested in these machines so our people can have the creature comforts that these machines had when they came off the assembly line 20 plus years ago. They were worn out, but now we have a new life in them. For us, moving dirt with these pans is part of our lifeblood. It's who we are. So we don't want to get away from our roots. We want to invest in these machines so our guys have the comfort to rock and roll and move some dirt the way we used to back in the old days.
It is a lot better than what it was. I ran one when I was training in them at the quarry, and they seem to ride a bit smoother. They definitely grab the ground better than what the other ones did. It's more comfortable, makes for an easier work day.
It's like stepping back in time, you know. When I was running scrapers, we had the 3 levers like these have. So it's very refreshing. It felt good. You know, got in there and run a bunch of those myself, and it was fun.
It is nice. We have radios, AC now, heat, pretty much as what we could ask for running one of them.
It's like a brand new one. I mean, even if it was just off the assembly line.
It is exciting, yeah. So it's kind of almost a hard feeling to describe. It makes it enjoyable is what it does. Yeah, it's pretty much as good as it gets.
Kinsley is known for moving dirt, lots of dirt. These machines here move lots of dirt. They have a history with our company. They're amazing to run, a lot of skills to run it, and they can move dirt very fast. When they link together in that push-pull, it's awesome to watch and it's awesome to be part of. If it's something you want to be a part of and get behind the wheel of these massive machines that move hundreds of thousands of cubic yards of dirt a day, click with the link below, kinsleyjobs.com.